Welcome to BizFlow Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to cover how to add inline text to forms and agreements in BizFlow. Let's get started. Starting from the dashboard, head over to the options on the left and hover over the Setup/Manage tab. From here, click on Forms/Agreements from the dropdown. Here you will see all of the previously made forms, agreements, and headers. To the right of each form created, there are 5 icons. They allow you to preview, edit, print, copy, and delete each agreement. We will click on the edit icon for this instance. Once arriving at the form details, you can see that we have previously created a section titled Policies and Procedures with static content as its field element. In this section, we will add a new field element by clicking on the plus icon located to the right of the section title. Inline editing allows one to acknowledge any statements by inputting their name, initials, date, and whatever else you would like to add to that specific inline text. For this instance, we will add an inline text using short answer. And in the heading, we can say I, followed by a comma. In the trailing text, we can add a message like, hereby acknowledge that I have read the above statement and my signature below provides my consent. Trailing text is often only used when displaying an inline text. Next, you will select Display Inline to be turned on, and you can select the inline width. As well, you can add a placeholder such as initial, and you can make this required. Then save. On the left side of the screen, you can see that only the header will appear. But in the preview on the right, you can see how the inline text is displayed on the front end, with a space in between the header and trailing text, allowing the customer to provide their name. If you would like to add another inline text, you can repeat this process by clicking on the blue plus icon next to the section's title. This time, let's say you want to add an inline text acknowledging the date. You can select the date as the field type, and for the heading, you can say on this date. For the trailing text, you can say something like, I agree to abide by all of the policies and procedures of this organization. Next, you will select Display Inline and decide on the inline width. For the placeholder, you can say date, and you can make this a required field. When complete, save. Now, in the preview, you can see how this new inline text is displayed. It will automatically be in the same paragraph as the previous inline. But if you would like to separate the two inline texts, you can go back and edit the date inline text by clicking on the green pencil icon. You can then select New Paragraph and save. Make sure to save and publish when you are completely done. This completes a tutorial on how to add inline text field elements to forms and agreements in the BizFlow platform. Thank you for watching.